Fly too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not that up. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my one trade on the NASDAQ 100. If you look at yesterday's video closer to the end, I spoke about this trade as I had it running from then. I just let that trade run as it came into the day. It looked like it would have came and knocked me out for liquidity. It didn't. It continued to go up while it started to progress during the day. Close it for a profit of 79, and that was it for the day. Only one trade for the day. You know, my ideal part of the strategy is just to get part of that daily move. It's not to get the entire move. I'm not trying to be greedy and get the entire move. I just want to get part of the move and not be hit out, right? So I'm showing you. So the first and only trade, you can see I entered on the one candle. So if we go to Friday at the one candle, so that's the first candle of the day, and this is what I'm looking for with my strategy. This is what works best with the strategy, is that if you get a good entry and price doesn't reverse past that entry or the low point of that entry, you can actually ride it to the upside clean with almost little to no downside. And if you have a good risk to reward, I mean, if price came and knocked me back out, I would have lost about $20, which is not bad either. So you can see I entered close to market open. I had my directional bias from the day before. I had a bullish bias, and then you can see, all right, so my profit level, I'll just use that as where I close it, which is at 17,907.41. My entry was 17,793.19. My stop loss was 1770. 1770. Okay, so you can see my stop loss is 23. If you're looking at nominal terms, just the numbers, 23. But then because I'm entering with a 0.07, that risk would actually go down to probably about 18 or 17 as my max risk, right? 1770 there. You can see that was my risk on the trade. Where did I close it? I closed it on the 17 candle. So it actually mapped out well here. I closed it on the 17 candle. Yes, I could have gotten a little more juice out of it, but you never know at what point price is going to reverse. I was comfortable with that move. That was a nice, basically 3-to-1 risk reward there. You can see exactly where my stop loss was and where I took profit. And that was it for the day. I had a daily bias of being bullish. At what point did price look like it was going to knock me out? It was around here. So this was on the 930 candle. Price seemed like it would have came and took me out for liquidity because I was down here. The price actually pushed down and started to come down here. I would have been knocked out for a total loss of about 17, 18. I would have probably re-entered if I saw a bullish candle, but then it didn't knock me out. I held the trade, I let it rock a little, and then the next candle is where I close it, right? And that's basically it for today's video. I want to actually go over NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is nuts. NVIDIA is at $721, and the market cap of NVIDIA is worth more than the entire Japanese stock market. The Hang Seng Exchange, you'll see this is the entire Chinese stock market. So NVIDIA is now worth more than the entire stock market put together, which is crazy, just crazy to think about. But NVIDIA is going up, SMCI is going up, which is super microcomputer. It's crazy. These are great charts. AMD doesn't seem to be performing that well, though, I must say. AMD is not doing well. Heard about this company, ASML, and they're at 950, but this isn't a publicly traded company. ASML is not allowed on some platforms. very interesting. And Bitcoin actually came up to, like, you can see we tapped 48,000, came back down, and we'll see how it trades next week. The initial trade, what can I say? It's looking very bullish. We had a bullish weekly close above highs as well. Bullish weekly close is like double bullish. So I'm looking for it to go up next week. If it doesn't continue, we should just look to capitalize on whatever day or days we get that bullish move, and then from there we can kind of decide how we trade. But I'm seeing a little bit more confluence, and it's just managing that risk. You see, I'm risking a little to make more, and that's what I think is the key in all of this. You can see my portfolio. I'm actually finding some level of support, as I was just having like loser, 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 and now I'm regaining that traction, going back to the upside. But I'm still gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna just take huge risk just to look like I'm right. I want to make sure that I'm right and execute there. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.